YouTube channel. So for today's video, may panibagong site na naman tayong pagkakakitaan. Ito ang trx.online. So, paano nga ba tayo makakapag-register dito? Nandito ang ating invitation code, then yung phone number. Input lang natin yung phone number natin at password. Confirm password, then yung withdrawal password natin, guys. So, i-click lang natin yung submit. So yun nga guys, once na nakapag-login tayo, may latest announcement sa atin si trx.online. So refer friends to get rich rewards self to level 1, to level 2, and to level 3. When your level 1 is top up, you will get a 13% commission. When you deposit level 2, you will get a 5% commission. And when you deposit level 3, you will get a 2% commission. Basic account, we charge 5 to 30,000 TRX to 5%. Deposit 30,000 and 1 to 200,000 TRX to 5.5%. Deposit 200,000 and 1 to 500,000 TRX to 6%. Deposit 500,000 and 1 to 2 million TRX to 8%. Recharge 2 million and 1 to 5 million TRX to 10%, deposit over 5 million and 1 TRX to 12%. So then guys, we have here the total balance is 8,000 TRX. So magtungo tayo ngayon sa ating trade. So yun guys, once na nagtungo tayo sa ating trade, so trading income is cloud mining and working positive 5% BAP 1. So magtungo tayo ngayon sa ating investment. We have here the product list, charitable foundation of recycle cycle 90 days, daily interest 6%, and purchase limit is 1. So magtungo tayo sa ating share. So yun nga guys, nandito tayo sa ating share. So paano nga ba tayo makapag-earn na reward? So we have here the link. Yung link natin guys is kakopy lang natin at isi-share natin sa social media through Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger. So yun nga guys, mag-invite na natin mga contacts para makakapag-earn tayo ng rewards. So magtungo tayo ngayon guys sa ating mine. So yun guys, once na nakapunta sa ating mine, we have here the total balance is 8,000 TRX, and we have here the recharge and withdraw. So paano nga ba tayo makapag-recharge? Click lang natin itong recharge. So once na na-click natin yung recharge, we have here the transfer to basic and transfer to promotion. So investment is divided into two modes. First, recharge to the basic account every day after 24 hours in the US time zone to receive benefits. Second is recharge into the promotion account. You can receive income according to different cycles. Return to the principal and income upon maturity. View notes before investing. Please choose a basic account or an promotion account to invest according to your investment needs. Please be sure to wait for the account to be recharged. This is very critical issue. So after yan guys, i-click lang natin itong transfer to basic. So yun guys, so na-click na natin yung transfer to basic, we have here the wallet address. So ito yun nga guys, kakopy lang natin to para makapag deposit tayo or recharge sa ating site. So magtungo tayo sa ating Binance. So yun nga guys, once na nakarating tayo sa ating Binance, i-click lamang natin itong wallet. Then sa wallet, meron tayo dito deposit and withdraw and earn. So i-click lang natin to withdraw, then crypto, i-search lamang natin yung TRX. So nga guys, once na may lumabas na TRX, click lang natin ito. Then ito nga guys, meron tayo ditong send TRX. So yun guys, ilalong press lang natin yung kinopy nating link sa ating site dito sa address. So yun guys, once na nakarating tayo sa ating site, ikakopy lang natin itong link lang natin. Then magtungo tayo ulit sa ating Binance. So yun nga guys, once na na-paste na natin yung link na galing sa ating site, ilagay lang natin yung ating amount, then withdrawal. Then confirm. So yun guys, may risk warning. So after withdrawal is complete, the assets will be transferred to the recipient address. Please make sure you have entered the correct address. Please make sure that you have fully understand how the assets are used and the possible risks involved. Beware of pyramid schemes, illegal fundraising, and scams. So yun nga, i-click lang natin itong I fully understand the potential risks associated with asset withdrawal and confirm that I would like to continue withdrawing my asset. So click lang natin yan, then confirm. So yun nga guys, may magsisend ng code sa ating cellphone number at Gmail. So click lang natin itong send code para ma-receive natin yung code at ma-input natin siya dito guys. So yun nga guys, once na na-input na natin yung mga code, click lang natin itong submit. So yun nga guys, request submitted na nga yung ating withdraw galing sa ating account. So magtungo naman tayo sa ating site para i-check ko talagang naka-deposit na tayo guys. So yun nga guys, nandito tayo sa ating site. So pumasok na nga yung ating TRX na na-deposit. So paano nga ba naman tayo mag-withdraw dito sa ating site? So i-click lang natin to, tong withdraw. Then pagpasok natin is may nakalagay na you have not bound na bank card, please add it first. Click confirm. Then click add. Then TRX wallet, then withdrawal password. So yung kinapi-paste lang natin na wallet address, paste lang natin, then yung withdrawal password natin siya guys. So yun nga guys, once nalagay natin withdrawal password, click natin tong submit. So yun na nga, successfully save na siya guys. So i-back lang natin. Yun nga guys, ilalagay lang natin yung withdrawal amount natin at yung withdrawal password. So yun guys, meron tayo dito sa withdraw is 8,019 basic account TRX. So yung daily withdrawal limit is 0.950 TRX. So withdrawal available today is 0.950 TRX. So nakalagay na yung ating withdrawal account, then yung desired amount na ating withdrawin at yung withdrawal password. Then i-click lang natin yung submit. So yun nga guys, submitted na siya. I-save lang natin. Then refresh. So yun nga guys, nakapag-withdraw na tayo sa ating site. So punta naman tayo sa ating Binance para i-check siya kung talagang na-deposit na siya sa ating Binance. Once na nandito tayo sa ating Binance, click lang natin itong wallet. Then TRX. So yun nga guys, pumasok na nga yung ating withdraw galing sa ating site. Ito yun, 0.95. So yun nga guys, napaka-legit ng ating site. So ano pang hinihintay nyo, mag-register na kayo at huwag nyo kalimutan i-click ang notification bell at subscribe para mas updated pa kayo sa mga i-release kong video.